All right. I'm going to make sure. Yeah, now you can hear me. Now you can hear me. Okay. Let's do that win again. Look at that. So I guess the front end of that whole thing, you probably couldn't hear me. That's okay. It's day number 40. That was a win. So what you got me talking at you for a few minutes where you couldn't hear me, but the excitement of that win is everything we needed today. We're up $161, up 1.14%. So I'm going to go for another trade. Maybe, the thing is I don't know where these charts are going. That did what I thought it was going to do. I waited patiently. And actually, what I think this is going to do is go up from here. To me, it looks like it's going to go up from here. So maybe I'll let it. I don't know. This isn't how I trade, though. I'm not going to trade this. Because it looks like it's stuck, right? It could go either way, but it's a downtrend. So a long trade would maybe have to be a downtrend. It's stuck in the 10 minutes, stuck in the 30 minutes. It's stuck here in the 10 minute. It could go either way. The problem with guessing right here, if this is going to go up, because it's been a downtrend, it kind of swooped. The swoop is there, it looks like it's going to swoop. But the pressure is back down, and look how much down pressure that is. Oh my goodness. It looks like down pressure to the max, dude. I mean, that right there is sort of a breaking point. Maybe you could win a trade off that, but it's got really good down pressure. It looks like it's going to touch down here. And I mean, it's just way down there. Not completely down there. Yeah, the problem is it could relieve way down there. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it get one more push. A real, what do you call this? A real RSI touch. I'm taking a 3 minute here because I think it could go down a little further, but it's kind of crazy that the chart just did that because it kind of climbed. I've been waiting for this forever. I took a little bit longer trade because I wasn't sure if it was gonna go all the way down. I'm not sure. I'm not regretting that longer trade because it took a dive, a real dive. It got right into this area here where it's sort of stopped a couple times. It's been below it though. This could win. I think it could win. I mean, overall, I think it could win because look what it does. It goes down there. It doesn't go back down there. It takes a while. It's been bouncing off there pretty good. 2 minutes left. I think this is going to go up. The only problem is I took a 3 minute trade. So it was a little bit longer than my normal. Obviously, I explained why I did the longer trade. Why I did the longer trade was because it's been moving a little bit slow. This was a 176. So this is a 175, actually. I did a 175. Writing this down. Oh, man, this looks so good, dudes. This looks so good. This could be a second win. I hope it does. I hope it goes. It's acting kind of wild, though, right? It went, look how high it's going. Okay, 3 candles. Okay, we've got it going up for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been going up 4 candles, going strong up. Now it's up to the top place. But I think what's going to happen on this chart, I hope this happens. If I look at this in 1 minute, give myself a little, oh yeah, I think we got this because I think what's going to happen is it's going to go, it took 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 or 5 candles to get back down, even though it kind of went far. It went kind of fast on that last candle. We got 1 minute left. It's touching this, but I think it wants to break it. So what it got up here and it said it climbed real slow, got real high, and I won right there. Okay. And then, so what happened is it goes, nope. You're not going, you're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 minutes, 4 candles down, but pretty fast and really specific. It specifically went down. So hopefully it doesn't get like then it goes, no, I'm going back up. Boom, boom, boom. Like I want to win this so bad. Oh man, that's bad. Look at that. Let's go into the 30 seconds. So it could still go. It's got 20 seconds left. Hopefully it doesn't just go vroom. The thing about this is I don't think it'll go vroom because look, it would have to go all the way down there. 12 seconds left. This is looking at the 10-minute. We're real safe off this bottom. This bottom is a real safe spot, and that's why I did it. That's why I did that bottom. I did that bottom real safe. Let's see if I got that. Yeah, I didn't show my thing went off. So win. That was another win. Let's do the. All right, we're at 59.33. What a miracle. I mean, a miracle, guys. Not a miracle, really. I mean, it's just trading. It's not like anything major. But 59, what did I say? 59.33. 59.33. So 59,000. I hope so. I hope so, baby. Up 323, up 2.29%. So up $323, up 2.29%. That first trade was just right. Yesterday was hard because I traded for a long time yesterday. And what was happening is I was getting those moments like today, same thing. I was kind of looking for those moments, but the pressure was sort of trending and I don't think I noticed it. I don't think that I was either on the wrong charts or I just didn't notice it until I was down several trades. And then I thought, okay, I started trending yesterday. I started trending. In other words, I started trading with the trend. I don't always trade with the trend. I'm a turnaround trader. So I'm not always going to trade with the trend. A lot of people say that, you got to trade with the trend. You got to do the trend. You got to trade the trend. The trend is your friend. I do believe that, especially like if you're talking like Forex, you're talking some big, long, 4-hour trades. You kind of look at the trend and you can kind of feel the trend. I mean, I can see the trend. But I'm trading off that. You saw what I traded off today. That was a very specific, a very safe, specific moment in time. It's been bouncing off that bottom with nice wicks. I love those 10-minute wicks. Those 10-minute wicks means it goes down there and then it gets crazy. It goes back down. See, it's going down there again. But in the 10-minute, you can kind of see that it wicked off that bottom quite a bit. Now here I'm not sure what's going to happen. We got some really good solid candles now. That means you have solid pressure in one direction, solid pressure in another direction. This, if I was going to trade a long trade with the trend, I would probably trade on the call for like 20 minutes because I think it's going to bounce off this and keep moving up. But if you're talking about a trend, is this really a trend? This is going like this. This is really expansion. To me, this is expansion, and it's not even just expansion. It's sort of like it's got a top, but then it's got a lower top. It's got a bottom. It's got a lower bottom. It's obeying maybe once or twice, but it's not like to me, it's not like a trend. Had I jumped in on here and saw this big downtrend, zoomed out, I might have thought, oh yeah, it's down, it's going down. It was going down for a long time. This is more of a trend, and then it started really going down. I wouldn't call this a trend. I mean, this is a trend, obviously, but it's so weird. It's like, whoom, you would have never known where the bottom of that was. Could you have known where the bottom of that was? Maybe if you look down here. No, I don't see, even in the 30-minute time frame, I don't see the bottom. It's way low. So you just wouldn't have known when that was going to turn around. And so you could have got some wins if you really got the feel. The problem is when I can really feel the trend is when it's beating me. Like when I'm trading on my turnarounds and it keeps trending through. So I typically will have to lose a few trades to the trend, or to the pressure. I'll call it pressure because I don't, trading a trend for me is strange because I'm trading in moments. I'm trading for a minute or 2 minutes, so it's like I can see trends, but I don't really trade. I'm not trading necessarily based on the trend. I mean, sometimes if I find a setup that looks really good, I'm really looking I'm trading off of like support and resistance lines is more likely, and I'm sniping them basically. Just will it stop here for a second? Will it stop here for 2 minutes? A minute? Will it bounce off there one time? And it's kind of like there's confirmations that I can get, but it's a lot of feeling too. It's not all just confirmations. It's a feeling. It's a feeling. I got a good feeling today though. My good feeling today is I'm at 59.33 in my pocket option account, which means my overall account is at 14,400, baby. 14,400. That's the full assets that I'm trading off of. 14,400. Some is in Bitcoin, some is in the savings account, just sitting there in American USD cash. And then I have some tax savings. And so I have basically my trading bank account is the 3,000 and the 1,500. And then I've got the Bitcoin sitting there, and I've got the, what else was there? So there's a little bit in Forex too, but all of that adds up to 14,436, 59.33, 59.33. Today was like a 2.29% gain. That means overall we've had 115% gain. We've went from 6,000 to 12,900. We're at 14. Yeah, really. We're at 14,436 in the total plan. 14.4. So I have to keep going. I have to keep going. I have to keep going. Like if you want, I don't really show this trading profile very much here, but if I go to this and I go, yeah, look, it zipped way down there. But this is, let's see, last 30 days. Let's look at the last 30 days. Look at that, man. The last 30 days. That's it right there. That's the profitability here. The last 30 days, we've had $4,592 profit. That's amazing. That's amazing. Let's see, the last 7 days, this week, we had, oh man, today we had 590, then it jumps up to 740. Man, it jumped down here. We were really in this time frame, we got really low right here for a minute. Boom, back up to 900. So this week, this last 7-day period, 1,400. That's pretty good actually. It's nice to look at this. I don't know what the pocket friends are. So trading turnover 9,000, trading profit 1,400. Last 30 days, the trading profit's 4,992. Profitable trades 58%. That's actually pretty good. My max trade was 1,000. That was a makeup trade. I remember that trade. It started out here with no profit, and we just kind of been humping up a little bit. Boom, leveled out. Probably didn't trade over the weekend, and it's just like a curve. Look at that. I'll send this over to Todd so you can see what's going on. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, guys, I want you to join my inner circle trading tribe, and I'm going to make it completely free for anybody. There's been like a charge for it. I think I'm still going to charge a little bit for it because I don't want just random people just spam joining. So I'm going to charge something for it, but I'm going to make it a special offer on the website probably in the next couple of days so that we're going to lead up to this 100 days. We're at day 40. So another 40 days we'll be doubling our account. We've been doubling our account about every 30 days or so. So if I double this from 14, I could be at 30,000 by the end of another 40 days. So I'll be on day 80. I'd be at maybe around 30,000, let's say. And then we go for another, 2 weeks, another 20 days. Yeah, it'd be 80, another 20 days. Man, could I get to 50? Could I get to 50,000? That would be insane. That would be almost 10x. I think I could get to 50,000. If I get to 50,000, then I would be over here, and 50,000 right here is where I would be. My daily increase, let's see, would be 756. That's a 2% growth, 1.5% growth. So if I do a 2% growth, oh wow, yeah, no, it's still, if I'm going by 2%, then which I kind of am most days here, 50,000 looks like 50,000. We could be doing a daily increase of $1,000. That's possible, I think. So our trade would be 5% divided by 4. Actually, it's 5% divided by 4. Our trading is 5% risk divided by 4. So if you get down here to 50,000, I'm changing the math a little bit, as you can see, just to look and see what's realistic. So we're dividing, we have $500. Our daily growth is 2%. Starting trade is 500. Oh, it didn't do it. Okay, I've got to do this. 5%, 2%, 2% there. 5% divided by 4. So I'm going to run this down here because I have been dividing by 4 instead of 5 lately. So I'm going to say fill formatting only, fill without formatting. So we got B4, B3, yeah, B4 times 0.07 divided by 4. I don't know what that is. B13 times 0.07. B13 A B. Oh, okay, times 0.07. I don't get that because it wants to be 5. So trading balance times 0.05. Yeah, that's what it really should be, times 0.05 divided by 4. B2 times 0.05. No, it's not 0.05, it's 0.5. That's so if I have 6,000 times 0.05, yeah. 0.05. That's right, 0.05 divided by 4. $75 trade. That's right. Let's run this down the line here. It'll give me a much better viewpoint of what I'm doing because I'm dividing by 4. And I want to get down to 50,000. Okay. Get down to 50,000. This matters because I'm just doing this very slowly, but when I get down to 50,000, I'm risking 630. My starting trade is 636. Okay. I'm saying that I want to win 2%. So I could win 2 trades. If I did that like today, I would have about $1,200 profit. Man, I think I'm getting very close. So I just have to be very careful. And what I want to do for my website for the Music City Trader Tribe is I'd like more people to be involved. I might do like a whole 100-day Zoom trading session, but I want to reach to 50 to 100,000 in my account first. But between now and then, I'd like everybody to sort of get in on it. So maybe I'll do like my Telegram channel will be free. And if you want to get in the inner circle, then you have to pay like $20 a month or $20. I don't really know. Maybe it'll just be $99 a year. I don't know. $20, $10, $20. It's something that the problem I have if I don't have any cost on it, honestly, people just spam join it. And it's just a bunch of people I don't know. Like people just get in there and say weird stuff and I throw people out. It's really a good community and I'm going to keep it that way. Telegram can be that way. We can do Telegram or we can do a Facebook group, where you can just join in for free. It's on Facebook, just be Facebook. So Telegram or Facebook or both would be free. But the inner circle, I think I'm going to leave it the way it is because the inner circle's on my Bolster platform and I don't want a bunch of spammers in there. Not saying that you guys would spam, but if I don't have like a price and it's just a free link, then a bunch of people spam join and then I don't know who's who. And we trade in there. We share our trades every day. We go into Bolster, into my Bolster space, and we share our trades every day. And we share. There's a couple of us. There's not like a ton of us in there, but there's a couple of us in here that share our trades every day, and it's really cool. So you'll see that Alejandro is in there. And he usually puts his on YouTube too. He's got a YouTube channel that's actually doing pretty good. So he's making the profit. So to get in here, I think I'm still going to keep it like safe and charged for it. Inner circle, Music City Trader Tribe. But I think I'll do like a free Facebook group or a free Telegram channel. That's what I'll do. I'm glad I got to talk that out with you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to musiccitytrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the Social Trade feature. Go to musiccitytrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at musiccitytrader.com.